Hey friends, happy weekend. Barry and Jordan here, the Brownstone boys, and we are really looking forward to today's video because this weekend we are making over a bathroom here in our house. Now, you might not know this, but Barry and I have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment below us that we rent out. So technically we are landlords. Our dear friend Kimberly has lived in our rental for about 6-7 years now. And we are always fixing our spaces, but it's time we redo her space.
And this space really needs to be redone. We've never touched it. It looks just like it did when we bought the house. It's white on white. All the fixtures are old. Really needs a refresh, so we're very much looking forward to doing it.
Yeah, so let's walk you down there and kind of show you what our plans. The really great thing about this project is it can be done in a day, and we're DIYing this project. So everything we are doing today can be done yourself.
But first, we want to thank Home Depot and Glacier Bay for sponsoring this video.
Okay, so this is a bathroom inside a 1-bedroom apartment here in New York. And Kimberly has lived in this apartment now for almost going on 7 years, which is wild. And we're due for an upgrade on this space. Not only do we love Kimberly, but it's also important for us just to keep up with the maintenance. And this bathroom makeover does not need to ruin your budget. There's a lot you can do to transform a space with a really low budget. So let's talk you through what we're gonna do in the space.
So one of the first things we decided to change in here is to change this vanity. This one's old, it's getting yellow, really time for an upgrade. So we're gonna change this out. And then we're also changing all of the plumbing fixtures in the space. So new toilet, new shower, new faucet, and that's really gonna make everything nice and fresh.
So living in New York, we always need additional storage, and I'm really excited for this vanity. Not this existing one, but the one that we are gonna swap this out from Glacier Bay, because it is a floor to basically counter level vanity. So that's gonna allow for more storage, which I'm sure she's gonna appreciate. So another thing in the cards for us is, right now, this bathroom is
White on white.
renter white. Just think that.
Gray floor.
We are really gonna create a mood here that I really think is gonna make this space feel larger, and we are gonna completely color drench this space. So anywhere that there are white walls, we're adding a really rich, moody color to.
The tile is gonna remain white. So there still will be a little bit of lightness in the room as well, and we're gonna enjoy that contrast.
Yeah, but speaking of tile, time to re-caulk everything. This bathroom is gonna feel fresh. It's gonna hopefully last another 7 years, and really excited. It's time to get to work. I say we begin. Let's take down the shower curtain. All right, demo kickoff. Here we come. All right, so we remove the toilet. Next comes this vanity.
So we've already removed the caulking from around the tub because it was really discolored. It was all kind of coming out. So now we can go back and re-caulk it once everything is done. But first we're gonna go ahead and get some primer on the walls because we're color drenching this space with a pretty dark, bold color, and so we're putting a tinted primer on.
Okay, so we just finished priming. We're letting this dry. We're gonna box the toilet, the vanity, the faucet, get that all prepped. Primer is dark. We really want to enhance that bold, rich color that we're bringing in. We're going with a moody blue in here. And while this dries, we're gonna go ahead and prep all of our Glacier Bay fixtures and go from there. Alright, so nothing like a brand new sparkling toilet. This is Glacier Bay. We love really the slim profile on this. But this has a 10-inch rough-in that's fit seamlessly with this older building that we're in. Installs super easy. just need to connect the drains and we have a brand new sparkling toilet. Okay, so we just put the final coat of paint on. Let's check out how moody and bright this room is looking. And we also just brought in the first part of the toilet. Super easy to install. We just brought in the base, the tower here, and we even have a brand new toilet seat. So we have our peel and stick floor pops, but this is a really wonderful solution and an easy solution for renter friendly. This tile is just not doing anything for us. We want to give it a little pop. It's easy to come off, so if we hate it in a week or two, or if Kimberly can't stand it, absolutely change it out. Alright, so we just finished our little bit of work. Barry now is putting in the shower head. This is a Glacier Bay. It has an automatic sprayer, which is really exciting. But all these small items really made such an impact in the space. My personal favorite is definitely the sink faucet. It has this beautiful bridge head over here. It's a pull down, so you can pull it down and clean all the little crevices in the sink. Kimberly has counter space now, which is really nice. And she also has this floor to like kind of hip height storage space now, which in a small space is always beneficial.
In this vanity, the storage is really unique because a lot of times you don't get a drawer on the top. So this is just like a false front, but in this vanity, there's actually storage in here as well. So super, super useful for like toothbrush, hairbrush, that sort of thing. And of course, there's plenty of storage down here too. And everything is just so refreshing here. It looks so beautiful. This shower head is amazing. We tested it out already. I wish I could take a shower down here because it's gonna be really nice.
And just simple things that you can pick up at Home Depot, like caulk. Caulk really changes the entire space. These floor vinyl tiles are an easy install. If she's sick of them in 2 or 3 weeks, easily to replace them or just get rid of them and then that original tile is here. And a brand new toilet. We love changing out toilets every 5 to 6 years. I know that sounds crazy, but in New York City, it's always nice to have a new toilet. And I think Kimberly is really gonna enjoy the space. So let's put together the final touches and then show Kimberly her new bathroom. So the best thing about this makeover, it really took us only 1 day to do. The space is completely transformed. And these are all simple things that you can get at Home Depot. This vinyl peel and stick floor tiles really transform the space. Some simple caulk around the back has drastically changed everything. And this beautiful pink color. I think Kimberly is gonna be really impressed. And hopefully she's gonna be with us for another 6 years. Okay, the moment of truth is coming. I think Kimberly is here. There she comes.
Thank you Home Depot and Glacier Bay for sponsoring this video and providing these beautiful fixtures for this space. We have so much fun doing this. Hopefully it inspires you to maybe transform one of your spaces as well in a weekend, in a day, just like we did. Subscribe to our channel, send it to a friend, and we hope to see you again.
Bye everyone.